Hey everyone, back again with another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve the issue. Issue is that your TikTok account cannot log in right now, and you may face the issue that they gonna fail. And when you're trying to log in, they say that you cannot log in right now, and you're facing issue. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. So don't worry. In this video, I'm gonna give you some steps. You have to follow it, and after following that, all the steps your problem gonna solve. And it's also apply on the iPhone and also on Android. So first step is that simply just go to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. If you don't find where you can disconnect VPN, simply just go tap on General and just scroll it down, and you see that there's an option of VPN and device management. Just tap on that and just tap on a VPN and just disconnect VPN from here. After that, tap on a transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here. After that, simply just go back and just scroll up and just find software update. Just tap on that and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, simply just go back and just tap on iPhone storage and just scroll it down and just find a TikTok. Just tap on that and just tap on offload app. And after the offload app, you simply just tap on again reinstall the app from that section. And after that, you simply just again install the TikTok. So I'm gonna tell that in that the description section of the offload app, they're saying that it's also free up the storage of the app, not you delete the data just like that. You previously login account that cannot delete. It's only delete the storage data. So after that, you just have to just again install the app from that section. After that, simply just go to TikTok account and just try to log in. So that is the step you have to follow it to fix your issue. So this is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.